Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H7 Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, as well as we'll check out the available watch faces in the support app, Lexus Fit. We'll also have an example in downloading a custom wallpaper for our smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces, as well as the process on how to set a wallpaper, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the available watch faces for our H7 smartwatch. Let's go first with the preloaded watch faces. You can use the crown button here to change the watch face. So we have here a digital watch face, or analog watch face, I mean. Okay, so let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have at least 7 preloaded watch faces. So this one is an animated watch face. It is a combination of digital and analog watch faces. Okay, so let's check the support app. It is using the Lexus Fit application, and we have here the dial section. So select the dial section. We have the dial mall, and we have the recommended watch faces or dial. So let's check. Seems like all are free for our H7. So a combination again of digital and analog watch faces. Let's look for a sample download here, a watch face that we like to download. We have a lot of examples here. Okay, let's check. So it seems like it is more than 50 here. Okay, let's swipe more and check out the additional watch faces or dials. Seems like it's more than 100. What do you think? We have a lot of options here. I like this one. Very clean. Okay, let's continue. And that's it. Okay. So we have a lot of options here for our H7 smartwatch. Okay, we have some good looking watch faces here. More on analog watch faces. We also have here new product listing. So we'll have an example here. I like this one. Okay, so let's check. More options here for our H7. After this, we'll have a sample. Okay, so let's have this one. Geometric. Is it free? Yes, it is. It is free. Redeemed now, use immediately. Let's wait. Let's check if our smartwatch here will switch to download mode. And as you can see here, it is now downloading the geometric design watch face. In just a few seconds, we'll have our watch face. And we have our geometric watch face. Okay, very simple and you can see the information right away. How many watch face do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 watch faces now. Let's have another one. Let's see if we can add, or will our previous watch face will be deleted? Let's see. Will it be overwritten? Let's find out. Okay, let's have this one. Redeem now. Use immediately. So far, seems like there's no issue when it comes to downloading watch faces. It is the connection is stable, and the downloading is, I think it is fast compared to other applications. And we have it here, although I like the previous one. Let's count. Yeah, again, let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can only download one watch face at a time. Okay, go back. We have here my dial. Okay, this is the downloaded watch faces. Go to DIY dial. This is the custom wallpaper. Select a picture. So let's look for an image here. Okay, let's use this one and check. Okay, drag the time. Okay, check. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, we can change the data here. Pedometer, let's change it to heart rate. Then save and use. It's now pushing. Let's wait for it. Again, this is a custom wallpaper or custom dial. Just a few seconds, we'll have our new wallpaper or custom wallpaper, and we have it here. Okay, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3. Let's check our previous. Yes, okay, still here. So 1 watch face from the dial mall and 1 custom wallpaper. Okay, so very easy to set up, very easy to download, and seems like the connection is stable for our watch faces. So that's it for our coverage for the list of watch faces and custom wallpaper for the H7 Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below, and of course, if you find this video tutorial or demo useful, like, share, and subscribe.